Hi children, this is your ANR sir with a new lesson for class 6th Andhra Pradesh state syllabus students. Prime number and composite number. A number which divides the other number exactly is called a factor of that number. In other words, every number is completely divisible by its factors. Let me repeat. A number which divides the other number exactly is called a factor of that number. In other words, every number is completely divisible by its factors. Now, let us learn how to find the factors of a given number. Now, let us find the factors of 24. 24 can be written as 2 into 12. 24 can be written as 3 into 8. 24 can be written as 4 into 6. 24 can be written as 1 into 24. Hence, it is clear 24 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. We observe 24 is divisible by all the above mentioned factors. So now let us find the factors of 35. The factors of 35 are 1 into 35 and 5 into 7. Hence, the factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. We observe 35 is divisible by all the above mentioned factors. Now, let us find the factors of 39. Factors of 39 are 1 into 39, 3 into 13. Hence, the factors of 39 are 1, 3, 13 and 39. We observe 39 is divisible by the above mentioned factors. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. From the above table, we can notice that 1 is a factor of every number and is the smallest of all factors. Let me repeat. 1 is a factor of every number and is the smallest of all factors. Every number is a factor of itself and is the greatest of its factors. Let me repeat. Every number is a factor of itself and is the greatest of its factors. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Number of factors of a given number are countable. Number of factors of a given number are countable. Observe the above table. Number 1. Factors 1. Number of factors only 1. 2. We have 1 and 2 as factors. That means we have 2 number of factors for 2. 3. For 3 also, 1 and 3 are factors of 3 and we have 2 factors only. Whereas for 4 we have 1, 2 and 4. That means we have three factors. For 5, we have only 2, 1 and 5. Only two factors we have. For 6, we have 4 factors. 1, 2, 3 and 6. 4 factors. For 7, we have only 2, 1 and 7. From the above table, we notice that there are 4 numbers, 2, 3, 5 and 7, having exactly 2 factors, which are shown with a star mark. That is 1 and the number itself as a factors. These numbers whose only factors are 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. Let me repeat. The numbers who only factors are 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. Numbers having more than 2 factors like 4, 6 and so on are called composite numbers. Let me repeat. Numbers having more than 2 factors like 4, 6 and so on are called composite numbers. The number 1 has only one factor, that is itself. So 1 is neither prime nor composite. I think you understood the difference between a prime number, a composite number and the status of 1. Prime number, again I am telling, prime number, they have only 2 factors. Out of those 2 factors, one factor is 1 and second factor will be the number itself. Whereas for composite numbers, you have more than 2 factors. Clear? And what is the status of 1? 1 is neither prime nor composite. You cannot take 1 as a prime number or you cannot take 1 as a composite number. So in order to check whether we understood the above concepts or not, let me ask some questions to you. What is the smallest prime number? So what is a prime number? Prime number have only 2 factors. And out of those 2 factors, one will be number 1 and next the number itself. So the smallest prime number is 2 because 2 has only 2 factors, 1 and 2. Second question. What is the smallest composite number? Let me repeat. What is the smallest composite number? So what is a composite number? Composite number means it should have more than 2 factors. 1, it is neither a prime number nor a composite number. 2, it is a prime number because it has only 2 factors, 1 and 2. 3, it is also a prime number because it has only 2 factors, 1 and 3. 4 has 3 factors. What are those 3? 1, 2 and 4. So 4 is the smallest composite number. Next question. What is the smallest odd composite number? Let me repeat the question. What is the smallest odd composite number? First of all, let us take odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, like that. 1 is not a composite number. 3 not a composite number because it is a prime number. 5 it is also a prime number. 7 it is also a prime number. 9 is a composite number, smallest odd composite number, because your 9 has 1, 3 and 9 has factors more than 2 factors. So next question, give 5 odd and 5 composite numbers. So odd numbers, composite numbers we have to take 9, 15, 25, 27 and 35. Okay, all these are odd composite numbers. Now for even composite numbers we can take 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So next question, is 1 a prime or composite and why? So already I explained 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number because it has only one factor, that is 1. So according to our definition, what is a prime number? It should have 2 factors. What is a composite number? Composite number should have more than 2 factors. Clear? So your 1 is not a prime. Observe the numbers 3 and 8. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. The common factor for both 3 and 8 is 1 only. Thus, the numbers which have only 1 as the common factor are called coprimes or relatively prime. Let me repeat. The numbers which have only 1 as the common factor are called coprimes or relatively prime. Now next term, twin primes. Twin primes are prime numbers that differ from each other by 2. For example, 3 and 5, 5 and 7, 11 and 13, 41 and 43, etc. All these numbers differ by only 2, 3 and 5, 5 and 7, 11 and 13, 41 and 43.